What if your brain rushed and solved this question? 75 divided by 15 over 7 times 7. 7 cancels with 7. Now we have 75 divided by 15, and 75 divided by 15 gives us 5. So the answer is 5. But this answer is completely wrong. And the reason this answer is wrong is because we ignore one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that we cannot just cancel numbers because they look similar. We must follow a specific order called PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now let's solve this question the correct way. 75 divided by 15 over 7 times 7. First, we treat 15 over 7 as one single number. So the expression becomes 75 divided by open bracket 15 over 7 close bracket times 7. Next, dividing by a fraction means we multiply by its reciprocal. So this becomes 75 multiplied by 7 over 15 times 7. Now we simplify. 75 divided by 15 gives us 5. So now we have 5 times 7 times 7. 5 times 7 gives 35, and 35 times 7 gives 245. So the correct answer is 245, not 5. Now, let's see if your brain will try to trick you again. What if your brain rushed and solved this question? 48 divided by 12 over 3 times 6. 12 cancels with 6. Now we have 48 divided by 3, and 48 divided by 3 gives us 16. So the answer is 16. But this answer is completely wrong. Again, the mistake is ignoring the order of operations. Now let's solve it the correct way. 48 divided by 12 over 3 times 6. First, treat 12 over 3 as one number. So we rewrite it as 48 divided by open bracket 12 over 3 close bracket times 6. Now convert division into multiplication. This becomes 48 multiplied by 3 over 12 times 6. Simplify. 48 divided by 12 gives us 4. So now we have 4 times 3 times 6. 4 times 3 gives 12, and 12 times 6 gives 72. So the correct answer is 72, not 16. Now let's go one more time, and this time don't let your brain rush you. What if your brain rushed and solved this question? 60 divided by 10 over 5 times 2. 10 cancels with 2. Now we have 60 divided by 5, and 60 divided by 5 gives us 12. So the answer is 12. But once again, this answer is wrong. Now let's slow it down and apply the correct rule. 60 divided by 10 over 5 times 2. Treat 10 over 5 as one number. So we rewrite it as 60 divided by open bracket 10 over 5 close bracket times 2. Now change division into multiplication. This becomes 60 multiplied by 5 over 10 times 2. Simplify. 60 divided by 10 gives us 6. So now we have 6 times 5 times 2. 6 times 5 gives 30, and 30 times 2 gives 60. So the correct answer is 60, not 12. Now here's the real question. How many times has your brain been rushing through math like this and getting the wrong answer without even realizing it? If this helped you understand math in a deeper way, then you already know what to do.